Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 ProMaster City Wagon SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are popular equipment group included: heated front seats, heated passenger seat, heated driver seat, window group, 026 speakers, black metallic, heated front seats included, heated passenger seat, heated driver seat, quick order package 24B Wagon SLT included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, wheels 16-inch x 6.5 inches steel with full covers, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, black premium cloth bucket seats, engine, 2.4 Li4 multi-air, STD, and front-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you